What's up, man? That's Cody.
And Cody.
Damn, that was a delay. We got the Porsche back in the shop. We are, what are we doing?
I don't know.
He don't know. We are cleaning some calipers. Why?
Because we're wrapping them.
There he goes. We're wrapping them because that's what we do around here. Oh, damn. Look at that wall art. Hold on. Y'all ain't ready for this one, though. Oh, boy. He going to have to turn that audio down, but I don't care. Dirty, dirty, dirty brakes. Getting clean so they can get the same old color that's on the body. You over here making a mess, aren't you? Ooh. Porsche? It's a Porsche. We're going to get some cleaning done, and then it's going to get wrapped. See y'all. I'm so red. I got a sunburn already.
Sunburn. The sun came out one day. Damn, you see that logo?
I know. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh my gosh.
And just like that, we're back. But we've got some updates for you because, yeah, we changed our minds. Instead of wrapping the calipers, we're actually going to spray them. Reason being is I can show you why, since I knew you guys were just going to ask the question of, well, Cody, why did you want to spray the calipers instead of wrap them? It's not the answer of want, it's the answer of, what should I say? Yeah, time management. That's what it is. So as you guys can see, there's all these super tiny little crevices and just super small surface area having pieces. And that's not going to hold up very well over time. So best option for this is to coat them. Cody did a wonderful job on this. He's modeling for y'all now. Y'all know he's a jack of all trades. He's a modeler, rock star, he's a rapper, and also a prepper. He does it all. Oh, he's a motorcycle rider. We did that today. You can't really see Pumpkin because his jacket's covering her, but yeah. Yeah, we got to get on the bikes today. That was pretty dope because that's the first time I rode in over like 2 years, so that was legitness. And we actually put the tail section on, so she's looking like a complete bike now. But this is what she's going to
do a video for that, but you know, he got anxious.
Yeah. I can't get over this wall.
I can't either, man.
Y'all see that? And just wait till all the toys are going to be sitting there complimenting that wall. Because you already know we going to do them all in our colors because that's what we are. We Cody and Cody. So, yeah, that's the move right there. Yeah, all these are going to be orange and green, baby. Orange and green. But yeah, so anyway, back to it.
Back to the prepping that nobody will ever see, but we do it right because it's called quality.
Oh, that boy got bars, man. Oh, he a beast, y'all. I gotta straddle you right here.
Look at this wrapping. Hey, but it works for this.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Cody's prepping those. Other sides is done. He did those as well. So yeah, basically what we're gonna be spraying these ends is Duplicolor, perfect match. It's the original Toyota color to match our Toyota Tacoma. So we got the white pearl that's going for the white pearl Tacoma. And this will work for all Toyota products. If you want to spray this on a Chrysler or Ford, you're going to have to get the one that says Chrysler, Ford, or you might be able to use the Dodge products, but at that point it's Mopar, no car, so you probably wouldn't have any of the other ones. So yeah, we're going to be spraying it with this, and it's going to look real good. And it's going to make the calipers pop. It's going to complete this whole look with the wheels on, because they're in fresh gloss black, which we also offer powder coating services. So if you guys want to take your silver wheels or just your dingy, ugly looking wheels that you wish you could have got something different, but at the time they didn't have anything, we could take these, put them in our powder coaters secciones, and
That boy said, didn't wish you woulda, coulda.
You following me? You know, it's very inconvenient to have you over my working area. What the hell? So, can they hear me? Oh, they could. I remember the last time I was talking in here, I was trying to tell y'all, let me catch my breath. Oh yeah, so last time I was saying something, I was like, yeah, we're just going to set y'all down on a tripod and time-lapse you.
But after we started recording, we realized that's pretty boring. So we just gonna vlog it. So what are you doing, Cody? So basically right now, I'm priming the calipers to get them ready for the actual top coat, which is the pearl white made by Toyota. Ooh. I like to get the difficult sections first.
Yeah. He always likes to get the hard stuff knocked out first. He's smart like that. Wet.
So yeah. So
wet paint.
We put usually like 3 to 4 coats of the primer on there just to make sure the other paint can stick to it. And then after that, we we continue to put the coats on. Not to be confused with jackets because it's cold outside. And then yeah, we start throwing that pearl white on there. And then it looks real nice. And after that, we'll be finished up here, and then basically we'll just have to put the wheels back on, and that'll call it. We'll probably sit there and end it and be like, that's a wrap, but it's paint, so, you know, probably not.
So after 47 coats of primer, we're ready to go for pearl white. I don't see anything.
Yeah, it's not gonna.
I don't see it.
You gotta do light coats.
I don't see anything.
It's a little weird. You gotta do light coats on these. Like, you build them up, and then that's when you start getting the pearl. It's all in the way.
Don't tell the subs that. They're trying to watch you. Cody and Cody everywhere. Share it, like it, comment on it. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Look at that mother.
That thing looks like it's glowing.
Oh.
I can see it from the front screen because that's
Beautiful.
what the GoPro Hero 9 has.
Beautiful.
Yeah, you like how when Bryce was here and we were like going back and forth, just talking how we talk and
Yeah.
doing what we do, looking like we looking. And he was like, "Yeah, man, y'all really good. Y'all go do y'all what y'all think is."
Y'all feed off of each other is what he said. He said feed off.
That was cool.
But I said I don't eat my boy. I ain't cannibal.
Right? I know I look like I ain't got a lot of meat on me, but it ain't because he sucked it all up.
What? Oh my god. Oh no. I hope we get sponsored by them.
It's all cold.
Oh,
It got
you
ruined.
ate it.
It ruined
I'll
it.
eat it.
No.
Yeah. Shout out to Cinnabon.
For bringing the fun.
We need a sponsorship. Send all your Cinnabon. I'll eat them all.
Yeah, he will. He'll eat all of this. He was trying to eat these 3 he got me, plus the big ass one. I mean, the big one that he.
Get you.
Right.
Watch your language.
Yeah.
Big butt one. Oh, look at all those leaves in there. Yeah. Oh man. Oh! He pushed me.
That?
He pushed me, y'all. Pops is here.
That's what I like, Flicker.
Pops is here, y'all.
Right when I pushed you too, he was mad.
Yeah, he got mad because you pushed me.
He said, if
Where'd
I
you
was
at?
there, I'd take your kneecaps
Yeah.
out.
Shout out to my dead pops, y'all.
Oh, he does like that.
Do like a little sad music and drop like a digital tear on my face.
Black and white.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Grayscale.
Grayscale. I miss my pops, man.
He left his mark on everybody. In a good way.
Yeah, busting some kneecaps or what? Oh man, when my bike's orange and yours is Grello. Oh.
Yeah, they're gonna be rowdy.
Oh man. You ready to spray another coat?
Yeah, it says wait 10 minutes, but that's just a suggestion.
10 minutos. They starting to turn white, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Will you just look at that?
Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, look at this.
Icy white. Looking good. Oh, I like the little new license plate thingy.
I know, I saw that. The black diamond.
Yeah, it's shining, y'all. Ooh, B-roll it, B-roll it. They ice white, y'all.
Ice white. It's supposed to be pearl white. Dang, gotta do it again?
Yeah. Bro, they match perfectly.
Right? I don't think you can tell the difference. That's how perfectly they match.
Perfectly matching the vinyl.
Got them on, y'all.
We got them on, y'all. They're looking lovely as ever. Ooh. That looks clean. Matchy calipers.
Looking real nice, like.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice. So yeah, we did a outfit change for y'all real quick, cause it's a new day.
It's a new day.
But we're gonna, what are we doing? So we did the calipers. The other two things we need to do are the taillight tint, and we have to wrap the door handles, but we're gonna do a separate video on the handles. That way, if you guys wanna know how to take the handles off on a Porsche Panamera, we will provide that video service for you guys. So, but this video, we're gonna do the calipers and tint. We're still waiting on the tint to come in, so while we do that, we're gonna work on the handles. But for the sake of this specific video, we're gonna catch back up with you guys once the tint's here, and we're gonna show you guys how to tint some taillights. All right, guys. So last thing to do on this project is to tint these taillights. My man Cody over here is finishing putting the door panels on because we have to take the handles off to wrap these because the customer wanted them to be black instead of white. And actually, we ended up doing them twice because the customer didn't include that in the information. He just said gloss black handles, so we took these off and we wrapped the whole handle assembly, and nope, she didn't like it. And so we, do what we have to do to make the customers happy, and we redid it, made them what they wanted. So
Did them thrice.
yeah, so that's that. So as Cody's putting that on, I'm gonna go ahead and knock these taillights out. These are actually gonna be super simple. It's a pretty flat. I mean, it's got like obviously a curve to it, but it's not nearly as technical as some of these other ones. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I've already got a piece cut. I'm gonna go ahead and tack it, stretch it across, squeegee cut, and yeah, show you guys how it's done. And just like that, the taillight tint is done. And as you guys can see how big of a difference that makes. Looks way better than a big old red taillight sticking out at you.
Heck yeah. Our logo's in the tail light. I can see it.
What, the reflection?
Yeah.
Customer wanted to add the little Panamera emblem on there, so went ahead and slapped that on. Got all the door handles on, wiped up, dripped out. Know what I'm talking about. It ain't 3 in the morning, but we are in the parking lot.
Pimpin'. Pimpin', pimpin'.
Only Houston OG natives know what song that is. That's it for this one. So went ahead and did the calipers, got those matching, looking all nice. Did the tail light tint, got those smoked looking all right. That's the move.
That's the move.
And that's gonna be it
For today.
that is it for this video. With that being said, if you guys made it to the end of this video, please feel free to hit that like button. Also leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about the color match calipers, the black door handles, and the taillight tint. With that being said, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and y'all have a good one.